how to create an event on Facebook. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to tap on this main menu button right here and tap on event icon right here. To create a new event, all we have to do is to tap on this plus button right here. And now we can pretty much do whatever we want in a new event. We can tap on event name right here and name our event. We can add a start date and time as well, or we can add an end time, or is this a frequent event right here. Another thing is that we can also add the location of this specific event. It can be in person, which is giving the specific location of this specific event, or we can also do it virtually by tapping in on Facebook Live external link or others. So let's say Facebook Live right here. And now by tapping on who can see it, we will be able to see or make other people join to our event. Now we can enter the event privacy. It can be for our friends and followers. It can be public or it could also be private. Let's say public right here and hit on done right here. Now we can pretty much add more details about our specific event. So once we are done, we can also add co-host right here, chat with guests, or additional settings right here. Now once we're done creating an event, all we have to do is to tap create event right here. And now we have created an event on Facebook. So that's how to create an event on Facebook. Hope you help.